Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to save a document on MS Word. First of all, you can open the MS Word application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply click on the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the file. I can select this file, and after selecting the document or file, you can now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can tap on save a copy, and after this you can just simply name the document. I can name Saad, and after this you can just simply find the location that you want to save this document. I can select on my iPhone, and now you can tap on save at the top right corner of the screen, and this is the way you can save a file or document on MS Word. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.